How to make money with 3D printing. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at how you can get started with making money with 3D printing. So let's get into it. Now, 3D printing is something that is becoming more popular. 3D printing machines are now available everywhere, and a lot of people are investing their money into it. But a lot of times people don't find the amount of returns that they might have expected with 3D printing. And I'm going to show you guys exactly how you can make money with 3D printing. So let's get into it. Now, there are a few different ways that you can make money with 3D printing. And make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content like this, because I'm going to show you guys specific ways, not just some general information about 3D printing, where you can actually make money off of your investment. So to get started, first off, you go on myminifactory.com. So myminifactory.com is actually a place where you can find different templates or different designs for 3D prints. You can click on the store over here, and you can download STL files for 3D printing. You can see people are selling their designs. So Hippocampus Seahorse is selling for $3.99. This design over here, this is selling for $4. So people are selling a bunch of different designs, not only just, basic designs, but also complicated designs. And what you can actually do is go on ahead and click on join over here. And once you click on join, you can actually upload your own designs as well. You can upload and sell your designs for a fraction, a very fraction of effort. Because once you create a design, let's say you created a 3D printing design for how to create, a artistic dolphin, then you can simply put that design over here and people can go on ahead and purchase that design from you. They can put it in their 3D printer and easily print that for themselves as well. And this will enable you to not only make money off of physical products, which a lot of people think, but also to make money off of the idea. So because you had an idea for that, you can easily find creator or generator for your idea. Now, you might be wondering, hey, I might not have complicated 3D prints and I'm really not that great at 3D printing. Well, if you are not that great with designing your 3D prints, I have the second idea exactly for you guys, which is to actually purchase 3D prints off of My Mini Factory and sell them as physical products on a marketplace like Etsy, because Etsy is super popular and Etsy is like a hub of people that are looking for customizable or niche items. And if you search on Etsy, so you can use a bunch of different Etsy extensions as well, but if you go with a basic search on Etsy, so if you just search for 3D printed and you say take a look at the top design, so this vase is selling for $184. Then you also have this little personalized gift lamp, which is selling for $36. You have these 3D printed Triclops skull planter. This is selling for $29. And if I actually show you guys the metrics on this, so this is a simple kind of design on a 3D printer, and you can easily print this on your 3D printer as well. And if I take a look at the metrics of this, so if I open up my extension over here, you can see this has over 1,780 in sales and has generated a revenue of $52,000. This is just the metrics for this specific product. So you can easily use 3D printed items. All you have to do is design a few basic products such as vases, keychains, lights, LED lights, 3D printing, basic items, figurines, egg dragon box. This is also pretty popular. Depending on how complicated your design is, you can sell almost anything 3D printed. And you can see over here you have this hand watch holder. You also have articulated art talk, so a bunch of different designs, keychains, hands, vases, frames, cup holders, so on and so forth. So just take, even if you don't know how to create, complicated designs, you can go into My Mini Factory and take a design from over there. You can easily find a design from My Mini Factory, such as a vase. So if I just search for a vase on My Mini Factory, I only have to, purchase the design once. And once I have purchased the design, so it's selling for $2, $3, $2, so on and so forth. So I can buy a design for $2 to $3, and then I can sell the physical product, obviously that's going to give you some more cost. You're going to have to print it, materials, all that. Even if I account for materials and all that, my cost could run up to $15 for a tiny vase, and I can easily sell it for upwards of $29, $25 to $30 on Etsy. And this is going to apply for any kind of 3D printed items. You can create puzzles, chess pieces, sculptures, figurines, frames, keychains, and any other plant potters, cup holders, cups, and other things as well. Now, if you don't want to ship your own items and if you don't want to sell your design templates, how else can you still make money with 3D printing? Well, there is still a way to make money with 3D printing, and that is by selling your own online course. So if we go on to Skillshare or Udemy, these are two very popular platforms. Skillshare is actually a platform where you're going to be able to make more money because Skillshare is a platform where money is pooled. So as many people that are using Skillshare, because people don't pay to learn your course, people just pay like an annual subscription fee, and from that subscription fee, all of that money is pooled together, and then it is distributed evenly out to the creators or course creators. So you can easily create a course on Skillshare on how to get started with 3D printing. So you can see over here, there are a bunch of different courses already on 3D printing. You can see they have 100 students, 1,000 students. So even if you don't have like a bunch of different students, because money is pooled on Skillshare, you're going to be able to still generate, upwards of $200 to $300 every week with Skillshare with your own course. And that's going to be absolute passive income once you have created the course and uploaded it. Then you also have platforms like Udemy, where you can sell your course for a certain price. You can set that price however you want. You can make a beginner's version, a pro version, a professional version as well, and charge different prices, and you will be paid that money directly. Udemy will just take a small cut from that price for a processing fee or a platform fee. Then if you still don't know if you're wanting to create a complicated course, you can actually create a couple of YouTube videos and monetize those videos. Then after you monetize your videos on 3D printing, you will be able to earn money on those as well. So you can teach people 3D printing on YouTube and you can generate ad revenue. Now, that is one of the most lowest paying ways. I actually do recommend Etsy as my top way to earn money with 3D printing. It is simple, easy, and effective, and gives you the most profit margin. But if you don't want to have to ship items and create them, you can easily just sell your design templates on My Mini Factory, and you can sell your basic skills or your basic knowledge on Skillshare or Udemy. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and comment down below the best tips and tricks that I have taught you within this video, and make sure to also share this video with your friends and family and to other creators as well, so you can help them out as well, and to anyone that might need to know this basic detailed platform and how you navigate through these different social websites. So I hope this was helpful enough for you, and make sure that you do leave a comment down below if I missed out on anything and if there is anything you would like to add, and I will catch you guys in the next video.